Upgrading your home's windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, efficiency, and overall value. For homeowners in Metairie, vinyl windows have become an increasingly popular choice, and for good reason. With the region's humid climate, frequent storms, and warm temperatures, choosing the right window material matters. Vinyl windows offer a practical, long-lasting solution that meets the unique needs of homes in this area. One of the biggest benefits of vinyl windows is their excellent energy efficiency. In Metairie, where air conditioning systems work hard for much of the year, energy loss through outdated or poorly sealed windows can significantly increase utility bills. Vinyl windows are designed with insulating properties that help keep cool air inside and hot air out. Many options also include double or triple pane glass and low emissivity, low-E, coatings, which further reduce heat transfer. The result is a more comfortable indoor environment and noticeable savings on monthly energy costs. Durability is another major advantage. Unlike wood, which can warp, rot, or swell in humid conditions, vinyl is highly resistant to moisture. This makes it especially well suited for Metairie's climate, where humidity levels can be consistently high. Vinyl windows won't corrode like metal or require frequent repainting like wood. They maintain their shape and performance over time, even when exposed to intense sun, rain, and temperature fluctuations. Low maintenance is a key selling point for busy homeowners. Vinyl windows are incredibly easy to care for, typically requiring nothing more than occasional cleaning with soap and water. There's no need for sanding, staining, or repainting. This convenience allows homeowners to spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying their living space. Over the long term, the reduced maintenance needs can also translate into cost savings. Another benefit worth considering is noise reduction. Living in or near a busy area in Metairie can mean dealing with traffic, neighborhood activity, or other outside sounds. High-quality vinyl windows, especially those with multiple panes, can significantly reduce noise infiltration. This creates a quieter, more peaceful home environment, which is particularly valuable for families, remote workers, or anyone who values tranquility. Vinyl windows also offer strong protection against the elements. Metairie homes can be vulnerable to severe weather, including heavy rain and strong winds. Many vinyl window options are built to withstand these conditions, providing a secure barrier against leaks and drafts. When properly installed, they help prevent water intrusion and improve the overall structural integrity of your home's exterior. Aesthetic versatility is another reason homeowners choose vinyl windows. They are available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, making it easy to match your home's architectural design. Whether you prefer a classic look or a more modern appearance, vinyl windows can be customized to enhance curb appeal. Some options even mimic the appearance of painted wood, offering the best of both worlds, style and durability. Affordability makes vinyl windows an attractive investment. Compared to other materials like wood or fiberglass, vinyl typically comes at a lower upfront cost while still delivering excellent performance. When you factor in energy savings, minimal maintenance, and long lifespan, vinyl windows provide strong long-term value. Finally, installing vinyl windows can increase your home's resale value. Prospective buyers are often drawn to energy-efficient, low-maintenance features. Updated windows can make your home more appealing in a competitive market, giving you an advantage if you decide to sell. For Metairie homeowners looking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance their home's appearance, vinyl windows offer a smart, reliable solution. With their durability, efficiency, and ease of maintenance, they are a worthwhile upgrade that delivers benefits for years to come.